Hello, this is Michael, and welcome back to another EAP video. Today we'll be looking at a feature that can automatically retry failed due date credit card payments. So this particular feature relates to EAP accounts enabled for due date payments via credit card. So what EAP can do is can automate the process of retrying failed due date credit card payments. So when automated retries are enabled for a particular credit card failure reason, EAP can email or SMS the customer to inform them about the payment failure or subsequent retry. This can be configured for multiple retries for collecting payment until a payment is successfully processed. So to start using this feature, we'll navigate to Manage and credit card statuses. Okay, we can use this link here, due date payment retry settings. Alright, so by default, what you'll see here is, so if the initial attempt fails, we will just mark an invoice as overdue. So what you can do with the failed credit card payments is we can use this drop down and we can say, okay, on the first attempt it fails, let's try again after, we'll say 1 day, and then you can keep going down and set a maximum of 4 here. But so if the initial attempt fails, we can either try again for another day, or we can just here say, okay, let's just mark invoices overdue, or we can try again 2 days. Here we can either mark invoices overdue or try again, and then there is just the third retry fails is mark invoices overdue. So you can just set this up and then just go update. Alright, that's updated. Okay, so what we do now is depending on which credit card provider you use, we'll take a look at, we'll say Secure Pay for this example. Okay, so we can go down here. So one of the common failed credit card payment responses we come across is the insufficient funds. So you can come down to insufficient funds here and select, and then here automatic retry, so we can turn this on. So when that's turned on, submit. Once the screen's reloaded, we can scroll down and see insufficient funds, yes, for retry failed payments. So now for any failed credit card payments that the failure is insufficient funds, a automatic retry will kick in depending on what you've set up in your due date payment retry settings. And that is it. Very straightforward and easy to set up, and you can set that up for as many credit card status as you'd like. Like I was saying, the most common is the insufficient funds, or error is another good one to set it up for. And that is it. Thank you very much for listening, and if you require any more in-depth information about this feature, we have a support documentation on the EAP support website. And thank you, and we'll catch up on the next video.